Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Geneva local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing to hire a dependable and cheap Geneva moving company means you need to check out 3 Movers. Our team knows how to make your move simple, whether it's a local move or a long-distance move. We have worked with plenty of business owners, homeowners, students, renters, and veterans over the years. We offer the right services for your long-distance move, including packing services. Let us pack up and unpack for you if you want to save a ton of time. Moving supplies. Use our moving supplies and all your most fragile things will be better protected. An on-time move. You'll never be delayed on moving day when you choose to hire us. Upfront pricing. Get an accurate quote from us and set your moving budget without worry. Licensed and insured. Your belongings will be fully protected when you choose to work with our movers. Getting to your new location doesn't have to be so difficult. When you need to relocate, we're here to help you. Our team knows how to make a long-distance move easier. Whether you're going one state over or across the country, we can make your move easy. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Geneva moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.